The white zone is for immediate loading and unloading of passengers only.
Well, happy Monday once again, everyone. Bryan Devore with Devore Realty Group, and here with another Monday market moment. Already the fourth Monday of the month. Can you believe it's already almost the end of the first month of the year? Time is flying by. We're going to talk about the latest stats and so forth this week. And of course, we're going to talk about where is the best place to live in California. Forbes just came out with that list of the top 5 cities in the state of California to live. You might be surprised where San Diego falls. But first, let's talk about what's happening in the market. Right now, there's 2,836 homes for sale throughout the entire county. That's down 50 from last week. Inventory continues its decline. Median list price, $900,000. That's an increase from last week. Average days on market, 63. No change from last week. Pending sales, 1,805. That's an increase of 149 homes. So 149 more homes are in escrow now than they were a week ago, and 50 fewer homes are for sale. Median list price of those homes, $775. You can see the disparity between the median list price of the homes that are on the market, the ones that are not selling versus the ones that are selling. It's a difference of $125,000. That is a decrease from the week before. Average days on market is 40, one fewer day. Months of inventory is going up a little bit, 2.19. It's up 0.11 from last week. Months of inventory, taking the number of active listings divided by the number of sales over the last 30 days, that gives you 2.19, still in seller's market category. Here are the total actives and total pendings in chart form, and you can see the total number of actives continuing to decline a little slower, but since about a few weeks ago, we're seeing pendings going up and up and up. So that's that right there. All right. Since last week, 24 more homes came on the market last week than the week before, 545. Those homes had a median list price of $825, which is a decrease of the week before. New pendings, 352. 26 fewer homes went pending last week. So even though we have more total pendings now than we did this time a week ago, fewer homes went into escrow over the last week than they did the week before. Those homes had a median list price of $749, which is a decrease. Average days on market, 36, slight decrease of 2 days. So on average, homes are selling in about a month or so, 36 days. New pendings listed within the last week, 21, and new pendings listed within the last 2 weeks, 132. So still 37% of homes are selling within the first 2 weeks of coming on the market. How many closed sales did we have? 194. It's a decrease of 62 from last week. 787 was the median list price of those homes. Jumped up quite a bit, which you'll see in the chart in just a moment. Median sales price, 775, also an increase from last week. Average days on market, 38, so one more day than the week before. The least expensive sale was in Escondido for the second week in a row, 192.5. The most expensive sale was in San Diego, sort of near Del Mar, $8,180,000. Here's the chart showing the new actives, new pendings, and new closed sales. You can see new actives were up a little bit from the week before, new pendings down from the week before, but overall, still way more homes coming on the market now than they did a few weeks ago, but way more homes going into escrow as well. And here's the chart that shows the median list price and median sales price. And we're up from where we were about a month or so ago, the highest point since about almost a month and a half or so. So prices are holding firm right now. They're, as we say in the industry, they're sticky. They're resistant to going down too much. Wanted to show you where we are with active inventory versus the last few years. This is from that Reports on Housing from Stephen Thomas. And this shows the trend lines for the total actives over the last 4 years. And you can see with the orange arrow and the dot, that's where we started the year in total number of actives. So we started the year with more homes on the market than 2021 by a little bit, more homes in the market than last year by a lot, but still fewer homes on the market than when we started 2019 and 2020, which was before the pandemic hit in both cases. So since the pandemic, and we're still below where we were in the total number of homes for sale. People are staying in their homes. They're sticking to their guns, so to speak. Also, the demand, the total number of homes or the trend line of the homes that are going into escrow. And you can see that we did start the year with less demand than in any of the last few years. They say in the last 10 years or so, total demand is down, mostly because, like I said, because interest rates are higher, and people are wanting to stay in their homes. They're not wanting to move and give up those interest rates. So we're seeing fewer people buying as well. So it's kind of a tug of war, so to speak, between actives going down, but also pendings staying stubbornly low a little bit for right now. If interest rates go down for the next few months, or 8 months or so, we'll hopefully see that demand go up. All right. And finally, the best place to live in California. Forbes came out with this list recently. They based it on quality of life, weather, housing prices, of course, jobs, and so forth. And coming in at number 5 was San Jose. Number 4, Los Angeles. Number 3, San Francisco. So that means that San Diego is in one of the top 2, but it's not number 1. San Diego came in at number 2. What's number 1? The city of Sacramento, our capital. Thought that was kind of interesting, but some interesting analysis, so to speak, of what makes a city the best place to live. What do you think is the best place to live? Let me know. I'd be curious to see what you have to say. That's it for this week's Monday Market Moment. Don't forget to scan that QR code to track your home's value. I look forward to seeing you next Monday, the last Monday of the first month of the year. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.
You've been watching Monday Market Moment with Bryan Devore. Please subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update.